English into Karbi translation. Open, open. Kangpu, kangpu. Close, close. Kangkir, kangkir. Enter, enter. Kilut, kilut. Teach, teach. Kethan, kethan. Fly, fly. Kangjar, kangjar. Mate bitu phanta pudam. Drag, drag. Kesan, kesan. Push, push. Kangdoi, kangdoi. Pull, pull. Kibung, kibung. Break, break. Cebeng, cebeng. Knock, knock. Thengklok klok, thengklok klok phansi kipudam. Throw, throw. Kevar, kevar. Catch, catch. Kedeng, kedeng. Crawl, crawl. Karkum, karkum. Cry, cry. Kachiru, kachiru. That's all for today. Subscribe now and see you tomorrow.